Sugar scrubs are so easy to make and they feel great on your hands. All it takes is sugar and olive oil. You can add some sort of scent if you want to, but it's not necessary. You need 1 cup of white sugar, 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Put them in a bowl and mix. It'll kind of look a bit like snow when you look at it. When it's all mixed together, that's when you add whatever sort of scent that you want. I'm going to be using peppermint and lavender. You can also use things from your kitchen cabinet like cinnamon, vanilla extract, but you do want to be careful if you're using essential oils. Some can be a bit toxic, so you want to make sure that you're not putting your hands near your mouth or you're going to be working with food. Add your essential oils. And here, just do it until it smells right to you. This is not an exact science. When it's all mixed together and it smells great, grab any clean container. Here, this was just an old styling cream jar. Spoon it in. You're ready to go. You can either tip it into the cap to use it, or save a water bottle cap and just leave that in there. So when you want to use this, scoop a little bit out. The way that you use this is that when you wash your hands and your hands are still damp, scoop a little bit of this out in your hands, massage it around your hands, in between your fingers, then rinse it off in warm water and pat your hands dry. And your hands will be super smooth, soft, and smell fantastic. You can also use brown sugar or different types of oils like avocado oil or almond oil. Again, there are all sorts of essential oils that can be used. Different types of spices from your kitchen cabinet: nutmeg, cinnamon, cardamom, vanilla extract, almond extract, lemon. And you can use any sort of jars that you might have already used up from your kitchen. Olives, don't worry, I wasn't going to put olives in this. Relishes, mustards, any sort of interesting type jars you have, or just whatever's around. Again, that's a simple sugar scrub. You can make it home. Keep your hands smooth and sweet smelling. Check out the library's online resources like Canopy, e-audiobooks, and e-books for other DIY and self-care tips.